This is the Sky GT AMOLED screen smartwatch with twist your wrist to see the time and all these different capabilities. A do not disturb, a great range in brightness across the board. It's super bright outside, being it's an AMOLED watch. Telephone calling, built-in SIM capability on this one, not Bluetooth calling, but you put a SIM in this and you can make and receive phone calls. We'll let you know if that works in the full review. You've got different ways of looking at your data, from text versions to bubbles to circles, you name it. We keep it on that one typically. And overall settings, you got a lot of different things in here, including, in the main review, I didn't know these, but Volte is actually voice over LTE, right? Ooh, that's so that you could use the network for your voice calls instead of the phone itself. And this is your SD auto mount, which is internal memory in this one. It has 4 gigabytes of memory acting as an SD card, and you can activate it so it will automatically mount when you plug it into your computer or phone to transfer over files. Here's your step count, basic information, heart rate, and it gives you your continuous heart rate throughout the day, as well as giving you an instantaneous reading. And that's it for biometrics. There's no blood oxygen or blood pressure in this one. Last night's sleep score, weather, if you can get that to work when you connect it to the phone, and then a music player that can play installed music that you put on the watch, which is really, really loud. Really good speaker on this one. And a whole app list that's showing you your most recent apps. And of course, you can get to those by going backwards as well from here. Notifications sent from your phone appear here, and then when you tap this button, you get your whole app drawer, all of the calling information, your settings, sports stuff. There's GPS built in this one. When you exercise and go into outdoor runs or walks or cycling, that'll give you GPS, and that can trace on the app when you transfer the data over to it. What else have you got? Calendars, calculators, the music player, stopwatches, alarms, a bright flashlight, weather again, search your phone, remote music, which is a music player that will play the music on your phone. It's like a Bluetooth player, right? But the music sound comes out of your phone, not the watch. Only the music installed in the watch comes out of the watch. A little confusing. Couple of games, one's there, one's here. You got water reminders, sedentary reminders, all those kinds of things. They've done a really nice job of presenting this one with the band that's got their Lokmat logo on it and a very sophisticated design. You've got speaker and microphone, a nice little button with their logo on it, a red one that lets you switch to different watch faces at your leisure. All in all, it's a pretty darn nice watch, nice and loud. If you need a SIM card calling watch, it isn't an Android one, this might be it. It's called the Sky GT. Check it out.